Hi, welcome to the unboxing of the Dead Devil Versatile 3-in-1 design. Stick, hand, and detailer in one. So it has the hand vac, the stick vac, the detailer, and they say it's ideal for hard floors and rugs, and it's lightweight. So let's go ahead and open it up, and see how it comes. Okay. Right. Okay. This comes with the instructions on how to assemble it. Okay, this is for the warranty because it comes with a 1-year warranty. And to register the product, and okay, that is good. Alright. It's really lightweight, so I think that's one of the advantages of it, but I hope even though it's lightweight, it has a very good suction or vacuum power. Alright, so we got this. It says easy lightweight cleaning. Okay, here comes the main part of it, but first let's check this out. Okay. Alright. It looks pretty handy. I'm sure this is the detailer. Yep. That. And okay. This is so that it snaps in and out, and you can put in the detailer and that. Okay, and this is the final one. The box is empty. Okay, that's some. I think it's pretty basic and easy. I don't think you need a manual to be able to know how to assemble it. So that's something interesting, and yep, there you go. And the most interesting thing is you do not need to buy the bags. It comes, you can just take this out, clean it. I don't know if it's washable, but I know if it's dust, you just shake the dust off, put it back in, and put this back in like that, and you're ready to go. Yeah, so it's pretty basic and easy. Let me see. This fits in. Okay. Let's see how this fits in here. Basically, it's always good to follow the instructions, but I'm just gonna figure it out. Use the manual. Okay, yeah, there you go. I have to push this knob in so that it fits in. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's light enough. It's not heavy. Uh-huh. Um, let's see. So this one basically it just fits in here. Yep. And you got it together and you can start vacuuming. Okay. So basically it's light, it's actually lightweighted as it says, as they say it is. So on my next video I'm gonna test it out and see how it how good it can vacuum. I'm gonna test it out on different surfaces, and if basically it says that it has the hand vacuum, which I showed you is this main portion here. When detached you can just use it as a hand vacuum, and a stick vac, that is when it's all assembled together like how I got it right now. And then the detailer, which is this portion right here, this one, so you can actually remove this, put it in, and then just fit, let's see, just fit this detailer right in, and there you go. So it's pretty basic, it's pretty easy, and thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. At the next video I'm going to test it out on different surfaces and on different kinds of dirt to see how good it can work. So thank you. Please comment below and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.